Hi guys, you guys are welcome to the channel. You're welcome to the channel. All my returning subscribers, I salute you all, and my new viewers, new followers, you guys are all welcome to the channel. Now in this video guys, I'll be making a live withdrawal in this video right now. So I urge you to follow up to understand how this platform I'm about to review in this video. So follow up guys as I make a live withdrawal in this video. Now guys, the simple thing about this platform is actually a new platform you can start making money guys. So, and the simple thing about this platform is just to make a deposit, perform a very simple task, at least about three tasks or so, perform simple task, and make a withdrawal. And the withdrawal is instant. Deposit and withdrawal is instant guys. Now before I proceed guys, kindly smash that subscribe button, click it, and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so that you can always receive updates from this channel. And also do well to join my Telegram group. The link to my Telegram group is also down there in the description box of this video. Now guys, let's get into the video proper. So the first thing first I'm going to do, I already have a deposit of $20 right here. And lest I forget, kindly note that once you sign up, you'll be given 10 USDT, free 10 USDT. Now, you can now add additional 10 USDT in order to purchase the VIP 1, which is the minimum package in this platform. So I already have 10 USDT after registration, and also another deposit of 10 USDT, making it a total of 20 USDT here guys. So what I'm just going to do is to join the VIP 1 using this money that I've deposited in this platform. So I'm just going to click on this very place to join the VIP 1. Go to the home page and join the VIP 1. So we are in the home page right now. So I'm just going to you can see guys the different membership levels in this platform. The AliExpress, which is the free or current level until I now join this one, the VIP 1. And that is how I will be able to make use of the $20 I have to join this VIP 1. So guys, required investment for the VIP 1 is 20 USDT and commission is 10%. Kindly note that the higher the VIP, the higher the interest rate, the higher the commission guys. So now as you can see, the VIP 1 requires 10% interest rate. But before I talk more about this, let me just quickly join the VIP 1 before I talk more about some other things I want to talk about in this video, though it's not going to take that long. So I'm just going to click on join to join the VIP 1, and my interest rate for this is 10% interest rate guys. So I will click on join to join the VIP 1. Are you sure you want to pay 20 USDT? I click on OK. I OK it. Upgrade complete. So guys, I have now joined the VIP 1 guys. I've joined the VIP 1 now, and now I can start grabbing orders. So you can see the number of orders they say I can grab here, incomplete, so 0 and all that. So guys, let me start grabbing orders by clicking on start grabbing orders. Success. Submit all orders. Total order commission, okay, 0.5. I click on submit order guys. I click on submit orders. Order submission completed. Order processing completed. You can see guys, so completed is 1. So let me grab another order again, as since I have 4 orders to complete here. I have 4 orders to complete in this VIP 1. All right, the second one, I click on submit order. Other submission completed. You can see, guys, other submission completed. So I'll keep doing this. I'll do this next 2 times and it will be done for this. Then I grab another order. You can see, guys, completed order. The ones you complete is going to be written 2 here. So I've completed these 2 and it's now written completed. I grab the third one. I click on submit order. Order submission completed. Processing, order processing. And I click. All right, guys. Now you can see submitted, completed 3. I grab the last one, the last order. I grab the last order, guys. Success, submit order. Order submission completed, guys. Order submission completed. Now you can see I've completed these orders, guys. I've completed these orders. And all, you can see the details here, completed for all 4. So I've completed all the orders. So what I'm just going to do, if I want to withdraw my money, I'm just going to do what? Come to this very place now and click on withdraw. Okay, let me go back to the home page first. Let me go back to the home page. So now, guys, you can see, guys, I have, before I completed this order, I had 20 USDT here, and now it is 22 USDT. So I just made an interest rate of 2 USDT. Interest rate of 2 USDT, guys. And mind you that I had $10, 10 USDT immediately after registration, and 10 USDT was funded to this account. So now you can see I now have extra 2, that is now interest rate of 10% interest rate, coupled with the money I already have in this platform immediately, which is the registration bonus. So now I have 2 USDT interest. So to make my withdrawal, I just click on withdraw right here to make my withdrawal, guys. So I want to receive this money in Binance. So what I'm just going to do right here is to input my wallet address. I'm going to input my wallet address and enter the fund password, guys. You can only bind one withdrawal method. For the safety of your funds, the withdrawal address will be locked automatically after your first successful withdrawal. For the safety of your funds, the withdrawal address will be locked automatically after your first successful withdrawal. So once you paste your wallet address right here and withdraw for the first time, it will be locked. Like this platform is going to save your wallet address for the safety of your funds. The withdrawal address cannot be deleted or modified again. It will always be there. So guys, make sure you copy the right withdrawal address and paste it here. Okay, please contact customer service if there is any charges required. So guys, the simple instruction is very, very simple to follow. It is very, very simple. Don't make any mistake in doing this, please, guys. So guys, I'm going to go to Binance right now and copy my my wallet address immediately and paste here. So let me quickly go to Binance, guys. Okay, so I click on USDT and get the USDT TRC20. I tap on copy here. I tap on copy, wallet address copied, USDT TRC20 wallet address. Then I go back to the platform right now and paste my wallet address right here right now. So I'm just going to enter my withdrawal password, guys, to make my withdrawal right now. Okay, guys, I've input my withdrawal password, so I'm just going to click on confirm modification. Operation completed. Operation completed. All right. Okay, now guys, I now have to click on this withdraw again. I have to click on this withdraw right now, then paste okay, please enter the amount to withdraw. So what I'm just going to do right now is to enter the amount I'm to withdraw right now. And I want to withdraw $2. That is 2.0 $2. Enter the withdrawal password. So I'm going to do, I hope you guys are following. The first thing I did in the withdrawal is to save my withdrawal address, and the withdrawal password. The withdrawal password should be different from your login password. So that was the first thing I did. So on this time I clicked on withdrawal again. I'm going to now, I have just input the amount I want to withdraw and my withdrawal password. Now I'm going to click on withdrawal, guys. Submitted successfully. Please wait patiently for. So I've done that, guys. It's done. So I'm going to receive this money in Binance. You can see now my balance here has reduced to 20 USDT. So while I wait to receive my money in Binance, guys, let me quickly show you guys the few things I want to show you in this video before I conclude this video. And I'm also going to show you my withdrawal proof because I'm going to receive this money in Binance. So guys, what you just do here, when you come to this place, note that the higher the VIP, the higher the interest rate. So for the VIP one, it is 20 USDT you have to fund. You are grabbing 4 others and 10% commission rate. For the VIP 2, it is 13% interest rate. You can see it is higher. And you are funding with 75 USDT and interest, and 5 others for 13% commission. So for the VIP tray, which is the Jumia, you are earning a commission rate as high as 20% commission. You are to complete 6 orders. Required investment is $180. So, but note that once you register, you'll be given 10 USDT immediately after registration. You'll be given 10 USDT immediately after registration. So it's now left for you to know the package you want to buy and fund money to complete it. So for the VIP 4, the required investment amount is 500 USDT, and you are earning a commission of 21%. You have to complete 10 orders for it per day. For the VIP 5, the required investment amount is 1,500 USDT with a commission rate of 23%. For 15 orders, you are going to complete 15 orders to do this, to earn this money. For the VIP 6, the required investment amount is 3,500 USDT. Commission rate is 26% commission rate with 20 orders you have to complete. For the VIP 7, the required investment amount is 12,000 USDT. Commission rate of 30%, 25 orders you have to complete 25 orders. And for the last one, the VIP 8, there are 8 VIPs. The required investment amount is 52,000 USDT, guys, with a commission rate of 40%. You are to complete 50 orders to earn this huge interest rate, guys. So I hope it is clear and very clear, guys. So when you want to invite your friends, you kindly come to this very place and click on this page, guys. Okay, on the same home page, you can still do this on the same home page. Just click on invite. Click on invite right here. And the commission rate, when you invite your friends, guys, you have a huge commission rate. So to invite your friends, you just click on copy invitation link right here. Just copy the invitation link. Click on it to copy it. You can see it is copy complete. So now to invite your friends, you just click on it and invite your friends. So guys, I will soon go to Binance now to show you guys if this money has reflected in Binance or not. But I'm very hopeful it must have reflected in Binance right now. So guys, the next thing you want to do right now is to know the amount you are to earn when you invite each person. So when you invite each person, you're earning 6% for your direct referrals, and then 3% for your second generation referrals. When the first people you invite others, you earn 3% of the investment rate, and 2% for your third generation referrals. Your first generation referrals is 6%, guys. So you can see, guys, you can make money from this platform. You can make money from this platform, guys. So, but then kindly note that I am not a financial advisor, and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on this website. It is a disclaimer which I give in all my videos, and this video won't be an exception, guys. You can make your own research, but when you want to waste time in making so much research, you might be, when you want to spend time in making so much research, you might be wasting time alongside. But then it's at your discretion to make your own research before investing in any website. I usually make my videos based on personal experiences and perceptions. So guys, you can key into this and start making money, but then know that each and every one of us are responsible for our own financial decisions. Everybody is responsible for their own financial decisions, guys. So now the next thing I want to quickly show you is to when you want to make use of this platform, you have to click on recharge first. You have to recharge first. You have to recharge by clicking on this recharge and depositing in this platform. After recharging, guys, you have to click on this address, click on copy to recharge this account. After recharging, guys, before you will now be able to go and start grabbing orders on this place, following the instructions I gave you guys on how to do it. So right now, the next thing I want to quickly do now before I conclude this video is to go to Binance right now. Let's go to Binance, guys, and see if the money I withdrew have reflected in Binance. So now, guys, I just clicked on Binance right now. You can see the deposit of USDT completed 6 minutes ago. So I'm going to click on this place right now, the arrow beside it. So guys, boom, you can see the 2 USDT is right here right now, guys. The 2 USDT have been received in Binance. So I've received this money, guys. So I'll go back to the platform now to conclude this video. If there is anything I still need to discuss in this video, but then I don't think there is anything I've not discussed in this video. But if you find anything difficult to understand, just click the go to the comment section and drop your comments, guys. And to get registered in this platform, click the very first link down there in the description box of this video to fund you to get registered, to register and receive 10 USDT upon registration. Immediately, instantly, you receive 10 USDT instantly after registration. So click the very first link down there in the description box of this video to register your account, and then drop your comments down there in the comment section of this video. If you find anything difficult or you don't understand it, drop your comments in the comment section of this video. Also, the link to my Telegram group is also down there in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great time.